Padlet is an interactive online tool that allows you to create virtual boards. Users can share various content in the form of notes, photos, links, audio files, and other media on these boards. It is a great educational tool that teachers often use to create dynamic spaces for sharing ideas, collaboration, and interaction among students. Here are a few key features and applications of Padlet in an educational context. Padlet allows for easy creation of boards where various elements such as notes, photos, videos, or documents can be added. Students and teachers can collaborate on content together. Teachers can share educational materials such as articles, presentations, or audio recordings to support teaching and learning processes. Padlet can be used to facilitate various student projects, from gathering information and presenting topics to creating interactive portfolios. Padlet enables the creation of virtual presentations, where students can showcase their projects, achievements, or reflections. The application is intuitive, which makes it easy for both teachers and students to use. Additionally, Padlet boards are available online, allowing for work on them from anywhere. Padlet offers options for managing the privacy of boards, allowing teachers to customize access settings to content according to their needs. For example, by sharing a board only with a specific group of students. The tool allows for the analysis of data and activities on the boards, which can be useful for monitoring student participation and engagement. Padlet is a flexible tool that can be customized for various purposes in an educational context, and its simplicity and attractive interface make it popular among teachers worldwide. Here's a brief user guide for Padlet. 1. After logging in, click on the Create Padlet button. 2. Choose one of the available templates or start with a blank board. 3. Click on an empty space on the board to add a new note. 4. Choose the type of content, such as text, photo, link, audio file, etc. 5. You can also drag and drop files directly onto the board. 6. Click on the Share icon in the top right corner to customize privacy settings or share the board. 7. Choose whether you want to share the board with everyone, only people with the link, or logged-in users. 8. In the menu on the right side, you can change the board background, layout, note color, etc. 9. You can invite others to collaborate on the board by clicking Invite to Edit. 10. You can delete specific content on the board or the entire board using the Delete button. 11. To delete the entire board, hover over the board, click on the 3 dots, then select Delete. These are the basic steps to operate Padlet. Remember that this platform is flexible and offers various features that can be customized to your needs depending on the purpose for which you want to use Padlet. Good luck with this tool.